Hey guys, it's Haley. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making slime. I'm going to be using the baking soda method. If you don't know what that is, the ingredients you will need are Elmer's School Glue or Elmer's Extra Strong Glue, contact lens solution, and baking soda. And also don't forget you need a bowl and a mixer. The first thing you need to do is pour 2 bottles of glue, or 1. It doesn't matter, you can do it as big as you want it to be. I'm using 2 bottles, so first you pour your glue into your bowl. Next bottle of glue. And then you want to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Don't add too much, because if you add too much, then that will make your slime like really hard. And then after you're done adding that, you're just going to want to mix the baking soda into the glue until you can't see any of the powder anymore. Just going to want to keep mixing it. After you're done mixing your baking soda into the glue, you can add food coloring if you want to, or you could use colorful glue, but I decided not to. And when you're done mixing it, you're just gonna add, first you want to add a little bit of contact solution, and you don't want to add too much, or then that can make your slime all sticky and it won't work as chocolate. It's fine. And then you want to keep mixing your contact solution into your slime until you get the consistency you want. And so as you're going along, you just want to keep adding the contact solution until it gets to the right consistency you want it at. And it's not there yet for me. It's getting there, but I still need more. Okay, that was a lot. It's starting to get to the consistency, but it's not quite there yet. I'll try to show you guys. See, it's starting to get there, because it's like the sides are coming off, but it's not there yet because it's too liquid still. One contact solution, and then keep mixing. It's starting to really come together, but I still keep mixing it. Really hard to mix it. You can tell it's starting to come together when it like starts to stick to your spoon, and the slime that you're mixing like sticks to that slime that's on the edges and takes it back into the middle with it, and it's like it all just like comes into a ball kind of. That's how you can tell when it's almost done. Let me test and see. Well, it's not sticking. See? It's not sticking. I'm gonna mix it until it all comes together in the middle, because I'm not sure if it's completely done yet. So I'm just gonna keep mixing. See, I think it's done, but I'm not completely sure. See, it still like sticks a little bit. Yeah, I don't think it's done yet. We have to add more, a tiny bit more contact solution, because it's still sticky a tiny bit. So just gonna add more contact solution, and it should be done when I'm done mixing all of it together. Still sticky. we still need a tiny bit more contact solution. So I just put the contact solution all over it so that this time it should be done. Yeah, I think it's done. Take the spoon out, or whatever you're mixing with. I'm gonna mix it like that one more time. I'm gonna put that on the lid, and then when I'm poking it, it's not sticking. Well, it's really stretchy. So now I'm gonna take it out of the container, and it's really stretchy, like really stretchy. It's still a little bit sticky. See, like it's still sticking, but I think that's because you just have to play with it. So I'm just gonna play with it, and if it doesn't get better, then I will add more contact solution. I might even have to add a little bit more baking soda. I'm not sure because I'm not like an expert at making slime. I'd say about my third time. So I think I have to add more contact solution. But that's just what I'm gonna do, add more because it's sticking. Oh my god, sorry if you hear that loud bang in the background. They're fireworks because today is 4th of July. So lots of people are doing fireworks today. But I already celebrated on July 1st, like you guys have seen in my previous video before this. It's really starting to come together. Instead of like sticking to the sides, it all just mixes in one blob. Like it just mixes like that, and it doesn't like stick to that. I think this is good now. And it's not sticky, and it's really stretchy. Thanks for watching my video. If you would like to see more content from me, make sure to subscribe, turn my post notifications on, and like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.